The sun shone brightly as Leo and Mia arrived at the giant water park. They could hear the excited screams of children echoing from the towering blue slides. First, they ran to the splash pad, where fountains danced in the warm air. Water sprayed everywhere, soaking them from head to toe in a refreshing mist. Mia laughed as a giant bucket tipped over, drenching everyone standing below it. Next, they climbed the long stairs to the top of the tallest yellow slide. Leo took a deep breath and pushed off, sliding down the winding, slippery path. He splashed into the pool at the bottom with a huge, joyful grin. Mia followed right behind him, racing down the slide with her arms held high. They spent hours racing each other, feeling the rush of the cool water. After all that excitement, they decided it was time for a relaxing break. They grabbed 2 colorful inner tubes and waded into the gentle, lazy river. The current slowly pulled them along a path lined with lush, green palm trees. They drifted peacefully, watching the clouds float across the bright blue summer sky. The water felt like a warm hug as they floated past bubbling fountains. Leo closed his eyes, listening to the soft splashes of the water around them. It was the perfect way to rest their tired legs after so much fun. Soon, they reached the end of the river and climbed out onto the deck. They grabbed some cold ice cream cones and sat under a large, shady umbrella. The park was filled with the happy sounds of families playing in the sun. They talked about their favorite slides and planned one last trip to the top. As the sun began to set, the park glowed with a soft, golden light. They headed home, feeling tired, happy, and ready for their next big adventure. It had been the most wonderful day at the water park for everyone.